Hey, welcome to Baby Cook That Thang. Baby, cook that thing. No, baby's not gonna be cooking. I'll be cooking. I'll be making ground beef curry. Oh my god, it's gonna be good. All right, literally 4 ingredients. Tomato paste, canned coconut cream for those illiterate folk out there. This is curry powder, and of course, ground beef. Yes, good beef. Good beef. Now, curry powder, just choose whichever one you like. Look, I got one from Fairway, tasted it, see what it's all about. Let's see if we want this. No, not gonna be using that one. No. Now, this one I got at a local Indian market, so I gave it a bit of a taste, and it's like, oh, that's the one we're gonna use. So let's start off here by adding some oil to a pot, getting our beef, and remember that, as always, the list of ingredients and the amounts are going to be in the description, so make sure to check it out. Now, as I'm fond of saying, beef that is boiled does not taste as good as beef that is fried. So what we're going to do here is let a crust form on the bottom. We're breaking all the beef up, and you see, look what I'm saying, look how much water is evaporating from this beef. If you were to just leave that water in there, it'll water down your dish and it won't taste as good. But because we're getting rid of the water, we're going to intensify the beef flavor. Now, see, this looks like the water's gone, but when you put a well in the middle, look at this, water's flowing out. So don't be lazy, keep going, and at a certain point, the water should leave. Well, not all the water, but whatever. Most of the water, okay. You can do it for as long as you want. Anyway, now that we put the well in the middle, this is a good time to add our tomato paste. The tomato paste, we're putting it in the middle there, and we're letting it fry up a bit because tomato paste that is raw doesn't have such a good flavor. So we let it fry up, and we mix it in with the beef. And now we take our curry powder, put as much or as little as you want, but I suggest putting in a lot. Well, I don't know. Some curry powders can get bitter if you put in too much, so give it a taste and see what yours is all about. Now, coconut cream. Take it, put the coconut cream, open it. This is about 18% fat, and put it in there, and then realize that the whole can fell in there, and now remove some. Get it out. This is a common theme here. It's happening with me, so just get a spoon next time. I don't know what I was thinking there. So I took out some of it and still put in way more than was necessary. But it turned out to not be that bad, actually. It doesn't taste coconutty at all. That's the thing you need to realize, so don't be too scared of it. So get it all mixed up in there. And after that's going, I added some more because I didn't show myself doing this on camera, but I did give it a taste, and I was like, nah, this could use some more. Because the more curry powder you put in there, the more intense the flavor, so why not? So while that's going, we have some rice sticks. These are the things that go in like pad thais that you see, but you can use whatever you want. You can put this on top of regular rice, on top of any carb that you want. So some baby bottles in there. Let's just ignore that. Well, I didn't edit it out, but what can you do? Put the rice sticks up in there. It only takes I think literally 3 minutes, so it's not like pasta, so every minute or so take one out and taste it so you make sure you don't overcook it. And once these are done, strain them and put them in your beautiful beef. And this is it. Has there ever been a simpler dish than this that you've ever seen in your life? I think not. All our hard work, let's see if it paid off.
Ooh, my walla mamness. Okay, started speaking in, what do you call that? What do those evangelicals go when they're like, when you know what I'm talking about? When the priest is like, take the demon out of you, and they start talking crazy. I think that's what happened out of me. This food will take the demons out of you. Oh my God. Please make this. And please like the video. It'd be great if you did. And comment if you want to see more recipes, or if you have any suggestions or anything that you liked about this, didn't like about it. I want to know it all the information. And I'd appreciate it if you guys could subscribe and click the bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload another one of these. And we'll keep making good stuff. Bye guys. Baby cook that thing.